everyone. I guess it's my turn. How's the night going? Everyone enjoying? First, I'd like to thank everyone for coming to this event. This event has been wonderful. We're surrounded by our loved ones, and I'm happy to share this moment with you. I'm also honored to be part of this important day of your life. It truly is Raymond found the right way. So, ayun. So, in terms of Patch and Wayne, we met 2018, but then we start sharing the story about my friendship with Patch. As you can see in the picture, this was taken, I think, 2012. So, same pa rin naman ang tsura namin, di ba? Walang pagbabago. So, si Patch has always been a Laker fan. So, kinuha niya yung Laker vest. Ako, Celtics fan. So, naka-L siya, naka-C.
Yun siya baliktad.
So Patch, I've known Patch since 2005. So 2005, we were first year in high school. Quiet lang Patch, parang over 2 decades of friendship na tayo. So we run deep. Our friendship has evolved over the years. So I'm happy to have this kind of friendship with you. So I treasure this forever. So yun, going back, Patch was a new student. As sabi ni Ate Lucy, he was very quiet, very cool, very calm, very collected. So I took the initiative to be friends with him kasi I found yung energy ni Patch very light lang, very good vibes lang. So eventually, naging close kami. And then, every time we talk about basketball, and I saw, sa galaw pa lang niya, paano siya maglakad, I saw na parang, uy, pwede siya mag-try out sa varsity So, niyaya ko siya mag-try out sa varsity, no high school first year. And teammates kami ever since, so first year and then fourth year in high school. Super saya na high school life with everyone, and I'm happy that almost everyone here at Soldubs is present. So, shout out Soldubs for being here. Thanks for being with our main band tonight. Meron na ako gustong i-share ng picture. Noong 2015, so this picture perfectly describes our relationship. As you can see, very passionate ako. It's a figure. Si Patch yung very cool. Siya yung parang nag-rescue sa akin palagi. So parang, ito yung epitome or ito yung best description ng friendship namin over the years. So ayun, si Wayne, going to Wayne, sa Alabama. May kwento sa akin si Wayne before na kinukulit ko si Patch. So Patch, asan ka na ba? I mean, tingnan mo yung mga kaibigan natin, no? Si Wayne parang di ko sure, baka naano sa akin. Sino ba yung tumatawag sa'yo? Bakit ba? Sino yan? Ako dinitain mo, di ba? So parang parang ako kinukulit si Patch. So, ever since then, we grew together. Our friendship was evolved. Every time we get together with the Barkada, sila yung isa sa mga palaging present sa mga outings and adventures namin. So to Patch and Wayne, all your hard work is finally paid off. Grabe, I couldn't imagine this perfect day, perfect weather. Naging blessed tayo today, so I can't imagine a more perfect day than this. I would like to congratulate you both for finding the true love together. Wayne is a great person. Wayne always supports you, and I'm happy to call you as my friend as well. So, to the family, Wayne is a genuine and great human being. So, shout out to the parents, since sila yung nagpalaki kay Wayne, sobrang bait and sobrang genuine na tao. Thank you, Tita. To Patch's mom, naging ano rin sila ni Mama kasi sa mga games namin na kasama namin sa Tita. So, Tita, you are one of the strongest persons I know, and you've been doing it for your family. So, with sila, Ito Ned and Patch. So, you're also a best description of a strong human being. So, thank you also for raising Patch like this. So, ayun. So, one last advice for Patch and Wayne. I would like to also inform you, diba, may mga times na nag-aaway talaga tayo. Siyempre, we're just human beings. So, my advice for you is, bago kayo matulog, huwag kayong matutulog na hindi kayo balik. So, make sure that you always talk about things kasi eventually it will be better. So, cheers to the couple, cheers to us being part of Raymond finding the right way. So let's give it a cheers, everyone. Thank you for having me.
Cheers!
Cheers, tayo.
Okay, thank you so much.